friends, lesson number 18. This is a very beautiful lesson. You can memorize it and play it beautifully, faster, and also you can at this point use your tremolo, getting faster. Just imagine you are flying. You shouldn't be tense in any points of your body. 1 and 2 and. Here you have do mi. At the same time you are going just to take mi. Repeat it. Second line, la, si, do. Second line will be repeated. Just imagine if you practice not quite correctly, your finger do like this. Lots of like a space between your finger. No, you're supposed to just practice it slowly and listen to this sound and not go very up or far from your string. Lesson number 19 going to shows us new note called the fa or F. Do, re, mi, fa. Lesson number 20, same. Sol, la, si, do, but on G string or si, me, sol. This do is دوی انگشت سوم, means do with your third finger on si, me, sol. So it has little bow under the number. Number 19. Do, do, re, mi. Imagine you are ready. Your finger is not like this. Your finger is not like that. So it is ready, close to fret or close to a string. Do, do, re, mi, fa, fa, mi, re. Do, sol, do, rest. 20. Don't forget, this is the result speed. You're supposed to practice each lesson like half or twice slower, please. Number 21. At the beginning, you are going just to experience do, fa. So all three fingers supposed to sit at the same time, please. 1 and 2 and. For rest, you can play bam bam with your mezrab chap. Bam bam. Bam bam. Second line. Twins do or twins si. Do, your regular natural do with your third finger do. Your finger can be up this time. Do, or you play chap to all strings or all strings mezrab rast. That would be correct. Number 22. سرود ملک ایران. It is a little small song about country Iran. 1 and 2 and sol la si do re. I'm going just to sing it for you. Then you can listen or hear Farsi language. ای ملک ایران ما را چو جانی در بدن ما روح و روانی پیوسته در دهر آینده مانی. It says lots of good things about Iran. Here you have sire on your 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth measure, first bar at the first line of your lesson. Sire. Okay, you don't need to take off your re from D. So it is not si, re. You can stay on re. Si, re, do. La, do.